Our top story at the moment, there's considerable disquiet in the Congress over the deadly Naxal attack in Chhattisgarh. It's not only the BJP that's turned into a punching bag. Admitted to a Raipur hospital in Congress MLA Kawasi Lakhma, the other target of ire for the local state unit of the Congress. According to reports, Lakhma was captured by Naxalites and let go after the attack. Hiding behind the hospital blanket, Lakhma is avoiding questions over why he was spared by the Naxals while other senior Congress leaders were not spared.
पूरा आश्चर्य हो रहा है जब प्रदेश अध्यक्ष को नहीं छोड़े, वीसी शुक्ला जी जैसे केंद्रीय मंत्री बुजुर्ग आदमी को मार दिए, पूर्व विधायकों को मार दिए, महेंद्र वर्मा जैसे नेता को मार दिए, हम लोगों को मारे, हमारे दोस्तों मारे, जो छोटे छोटे पदाधिकारी थे उनको मारा गया। तो मतलब मुझे आश्चर्य लग रहा है कि मतलब किस तरह से वहां पर बात हुई, कैसे छोड़ा गया, ये वही बता सकते हैं जो घटना स्थल में थे अंदर में। साजिश है और इसमें लाखों 100 करोड़ से कम की डील मुझे नहीं लगती हुई होगी इसमें।
कवासी लखमा को छोड़े मुझे आश्चर्य तो हो रहा है थोड़ा, लेकिन अब जब तक जांच ना हो जाए तब तक अभी कुछ कहना। आश्चर्य तो है, क्यों छोड़े, इसको जांच का विषय रहेगा सर। और नंद कुमार पटेल जी को बार बार पूछना, स्टार्टिंग से ही नंद कुमार पटेल कहाँ है, नंद कुमार पटेल कहाँ है, ये बड़ा समझ में नहीं आता कि ऐसा क्यों, जबकि और किसी दूसरे को स्टार्टिंग में नहीं पूछा।
Well, the deadly Naxal attack on Saturday has created a vacuum in the Chhattisgarh Congress, with State President Nand Kumar Patel and Senior Leader Mahendra Karma no more, and veteran VC Shukla fighting for his life in a hospital. The party has lost some very senior leaders. Questions are arising how the Naxals could have such precise information. It's not only the Netas who are questioning Lakhma's role.
नंद कुमार के काफिले में कितने पुलिसकर्मी, कितने गार्ड और कितना पीओसी हो, उस नक्सलियों को मालूम था कि इनके पास AK-47 की बंदूक नहीं है, इनके पास 12 बोल कट्टा है। बस उनको मालूम था कि उनके पास ये सामान है, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us with more details from Raipur on that story. Kamaljeet, could you give us a background of Kawasi Lakhma? Why is it that people in his own party are suspecting him?
Maha, it's not just the party people, it's also people who are pointing fingers at him. But the conspiracy theories have been doing the round since day one, because he is the MLA from that particular area, and on his behalf, the route of the cars and the convoy was really changed. But this is not the definition that has been given by the investigating agencies, or for that matter, the NIA. It is something which is more of a speculative nature as of now. But yes, questioning will be done not only with Kawasi Lakhma, who is in Ramakrishna Hospital here in Raipur, getting himself treated. We know that he's got some injury on his ear. He also has a heart problem at this point of time, post-incident, and doctors have been telling us that he's undergoing some sort of trauma. That is why he's hospitalized. But it has been pointed out at him, but there is no definite evidence to back what people are really claiming. But yes, a lot of victims' families, a lot of other people, especially the adversaries, are pinpointing fingers as to why he survived. We spoke to Ajit Jogi in this morning, and he basically defended Kawasi Lakhma.
All right.
He said that there were 125 people, only 30 people were killed, and most of these leaders were targeted. They were naming the leaders and shooting them down, and nowhere did he mention Kawasi Lakhma, who was a tribal leader. So in that sense, a lot of party people are also coming to his defense. But yes, at this point of time, Congress seems divided. Half the Congress is already eliminated. But this is something that has been doing the rounds. We also talked to the governor regarding this, and he basically also said that it's too early to pinpoint fingers at Kawasi Lakhma.
Well, in fact, we do have Congress leader Ajit Jogi's reaction to these conspiracy theories that are now doing the round. The Congress, of course, at the moment has rubbished this conspiracy theory. Let's listen into Ajit Jogi.
उसमें 125 लोग थे, मारे गए 24 लोग, बाकी 100 लोग तो छोड़े ना उन्होंने। अकेले कवासी लखमा को छोड़ा है क्या? जो उनका टारगेट था वो उन्होंने पूरा किया, और उसके अलावा उन्होंने ये कहा कि इंडिस्क्रिमिनेट फायरिंग से जो लोग मरे हैं, छोटे कार्यकर्ता या ड्राइवर या खलासी या PSO, उसका हमें खेद है। अब इसके बाद क्या शक हो जाता है?